So, hello Leute, hello people. Welcome once again to German for Girls. So, today we'll be bringing your way common words in German. So, that simply means we'll be teaching you or showing you in a very, very fashionable storytelling style, interactive style, where you get to learn how to use common words to say sentences, simple sentences and phrases in German. And we've prepared for you five nouns that we want to use with some verbs that has also been prepared for you, and as well some adjectives that goes along with those nouns and verbs that we've prepared. And the first one on the list we have is essen. Essen means food. Saying it with the gender is das Essen. Das Essen means food. Ironically, there's a city in Germany which is also called Essen. So I've been wondering, how come do we have a city that's named Essen in Germany? Is it that people in this city, they like food, or is it that food produce a lot there, or there's so many restaurants? To be honest, I live here in Germany and I've been to that city several times myself, but I can't still understand why the city was named Essen. Perhaps Caroline, you may have a better idea of why this city was named Essen.
I think maybe there was a lot of food in that maybe the community, or maybe there is a lot of production of food. Yeah, as you have said, maybe they are manufacturing food manufacturing companies there in plenty. That's why. But you let the viewers, maybe someone may have an idea of why the city was named that. Maybe they can tell us in the comment section.
Okay, we'll leave it to you, the viewer. Definitely, I'm sure some of you who live in Germany, or even if you don't live in Germany, some of you know a lot about history, you know a lot about, things that we might not know. Leave it in the comment section. We'd definitely like to know why this city was named Essen. Definitely would like to know. So in that regard, we would be looking at which verb goes with food. When you mention food, which verb can we use alongside food as a noun?
I think when you see the word food, you only think about cooking. So we can use the verb cook, to cook.
Okay, so to cook in German simply means kochen. So what's adjective, or which adjective do you think would go with food? No.
Okay, I think delicious. Delicious food. Delicious will fit as an adjective there.
Okay, so basically delicious in German is lecker. Lecker. No.
Lecker.
That's what delicious means in German. Of course, there's also another word for delicious, which is schmeckt. But lecker is more appropriate. So now, how can we then make sentence a simple sentence? Now we know the verb food, we know the noun food, which is das Essen, and we know the verb cook, which is kochen, and we also know delicious, which is lecker. How do we put all this to make a sentence, a simple sentence, from these common words that we've mentioned? So it's simple. If we were to make just one sentence, we can just say das Essen ist lecker, or we can say ich koche ein leckeres Essen. So that simply means I'm cooking a delicious food. And it means the other one means the food is delicious. So das Essen ist lecker means the food is delicious, and ich koche ein leckeres Essen means I am cooking a delicious food. So these are two simple sentences we can make from these words, essen, kochen, and lecker. Yeah, so, but if you want to take each of them as individual words, so as a noun, how can you make a sentence with the word essen? That's essen. How can you make just a sentence or a phrase with it? An example of that would be das Essen mit viel scharf. So food with so much spices. So if you want to cook food with few spice, do you think the food will be delicious? Do you like cooking, Caroline?
Yeah, I love cooking.
So do you think
Especially, sorry?
do you cook spicy food?
Yeah, food without spicy is not sweet. So you have to put a lot of spicy for it to be delicious.
So how would you say I like to cook in German?
Ich koche gerne.
Exactly, ich koche gerne. So if I give you, since you say you like to cook, like if I say, okay, Caroline, now I'm coming to Kenya and I want to buy you chocolate. What kind of chocolate will you ask for? Is it a bitter chocolate? Is it sweet chocolate? Is it, because I mean, there are different sorts of chocolates. There are definitely
I prefer
different
the
sorts of
sweet.
chocolate. Sweets.
I prefer the sweet chocolate.
Okay, so that means if I were to say that in German, that I'm bringing you sweet, a sweet chocolate, or the chocolate I'm bringing you is sweet. How do you think I should say that, or how do you think I would say that if I say, oh, the chocolate I'm bringing you is sweet, or the chocolate is sweet? How would you say that? How would you expect me to say that?
You'll say something like the chocolate is lecker.
Yeah, exactly. So um, you see that we've been able to use the word lecker two times. The first one was das Essen ist lecker, and now the chocolate is lecker. So it means Essen, which is food, can be sweet, and of course chocolate. I know women like chocolate a lot.
Yeah.
Chocolate is chocolate is also lekker.
That's true. We like
So
it a lot.
but actually, there's also we could decide to say um, schmeckt good. If a food is really delicious, is really nice, I could say das Essen schmeckt gut. That the food is delicious, it's nice. It's the same thing as well. But of course, for the purpose of this conversation and this lesson, we decided to pick lekker. So if I'm coming to Kenya I'll definitely bring you a chocolate that is lekker. A delicious
I
chocolate.
really appreciate. I'll be
Yeah.
so happy.
Yeah.